Alright guys, so I'm here doing the intro because I just realized that there's no intro for this video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this week's vlog. As you can see, I'm kind of really just passing through like weekly because there's no time to pass through daily or every other day, but on only the weekends. So hi, what's up? How you guys doing? If you're new to my channel, please go ahead to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you get notified every time there's a new video on this channel that you guys would have helped me to create. And when I say create, not just to start the page and everything, but kind of really make it into a full-on channel that is ongoing. So big up to all of my day one supporters and big up to all of the new people I hope you guys will enjoy this video because it's a video that is kind of due. We have not really been out in a while, and today we are going to Sharkies, so do enjoy. Okay, let's jump back to the next clip. And on we'll go. Guys, may look pretty white fashion over top. I'm wondering if I should do this or what. I'm not sure. Alright guys, so I am heading out currently. We're going to go to Sharkies. It was Odin's mom's birthday yesterday. My dad's birthday was Tuesday. He was supposed to come with us, but we found out other plans, so he's not going to be able to make it today. So I'm sure no me aware, like me trying to fit me my room in it because it's a mess. I know when I go there, so me let audience mom and mother-in-law show me what my van. So yeah. Alright guys, OOTD. I have on this pants from, I bought this in Panama last year. Over my ear of it. This is the Fashion Nova top that I did in my last Fashion Nova haul. I have this bag from Urban Planet in Canada, bought 2019. They're from Walmart. My sister bought them from a True Value brand. You know, by Walmart, things you know in Noah. Is my face showing Janice?
Yes.
Just a show Janice?
No, I've been showing your shoes and everything.
And my hair, I have the wig hair from Muffin Kill Pillow. I'm going to just reinstall it today. So, yeah. As well, it's a no makeup day. Yes, no makeup day. I feel really reach back the stage and I can't go out without makeup. Yeah, so, Johnny, is that coming to the vlog? Mm-hmm. Sure, just put on her curl cheese, you know? Yes. So, hi. This is my mother-in-law, Johnny. You're going to probably know if you know idea one subscriber. So, we're going to Sharkies today. Today is the day them say storm come.
Rain and fall.
Well, no storm not really come to Jamaica. It's just like the effects from the depression out there. But we call the place and them say that they're going to be open. So we're still going right at the beach side. Anything will wash out. Wash out. So yeah, we're part of the end if you come. So yeah. I don't like keep on wigging up people. That's why these days I don't wear wigs. But I'm going to try.
That one's pretty.
This wig was a tall wig and I cut it to be the short wig, yeah. But I'm going to try to make a rock it for the school week. See that me take out the locks them. So yeah, let's see how that goes. But I like how it come out.
Yeah, pretty.
And I did it like in an easier way than I normally do it. Faster way. So yeah. So, it don't look like the rain go pour too heavily. Yeah. You watch the weather just now. What did the weather just say?
It just snow set and miss, but you can't predict the rain.
Oh, well. We're hoping that the rain won't fall too heavy. Too heavy because, you know, it can't probably fall tomorrow. And it fall Monday when...
No, it just fall Monday. No, we're not.
You know me that was right. Why is it maybe tie your ear?
You sit down, funny.
we did dump on the north stream, I couldn't know. Alright guys, this is how the coaster looks. Them to storm a come. It just look like a regular day. Them did say, a lot of people think, down, alright. Well,
So when summer come and say, let's go, you don't know,
Quite-
these are not like that.
well, yeah, water not shake. The water look, yeah, the water just look regular. The water, yeah, it don't look rough. Look and see.
Look how we watched last night. You see when Fiona do the water?
Yeah.
Oh, so
And the water barely are coming. You see that coming to your shirt, so barely. So
Yeah, but they put out
we're safe. Yeah, we're safe. Both still out of water and everything, so we're safe. Definitely. Yeah. Which is what's happening now, right? Like a joints. We done the tour now, so yeah.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. I double feel it 'cause it looks tonight. It's electric. I get lost in your eyes every time, there's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in you since the night on the terrace, yeah. You had me falling fast. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. I double feel it 'cause it looks tonight. It's I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning.
Who said we must come out for the day when them say it's hurricane watch? So listen, people, the water never looked nothing like this when we got here. The water never looked nothing like this. The stuff never blow up because the customer over there fix it. Wait, so something not go out there? Something not go out there? It's crazy. What? What's wrong? Water, but then I went to water kitchen. See what? And the water get rough. The water rise. Look here. What she say? See, the water look I have seen. Band on the place. Watch out. Customer has to be working. Watch out, the worker come by and help. No, oh, okay, no, you can't follow up.
You can tie them for them.
Oh, we don't go see Wagwan.
But we're not going to do it.
We're going home? We're going to see Wagwan. Watch out.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction, only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. I don't know really 'cause it's tonight. It's electric.
So we're leaving Sharkies. We're actually going back home. We're gonna head to St. Mary first. It wasn't a bad evening. Only thing happened is that Johnny's is trying lobster for the first time. For that large lobster was Johnny's lobster. What's it? Was Johnny's lobster, but Johnny's wanted to go to a seafood restaurant and Johnny's don't like seafood. Johnny's don't like shrimp. I mean, shrimp and lobster are basically the same family. That's all. And if you're sick when you eat shrimp, I think you're gonna sick when you eat lobster too.
Just try.
But she wanted to test the water. And the water did not work out well for her. She had like this amount and she felt sick like 2 minutes right after, so she was not able to eat, not even 3/4. She had like a very small portion. So yeah, I must say though, this is our second time going anywhere in Jamaica to order lobster, and it was not in terms of taste wise, it was good. Taste wise, because me, or they never tried, taste wise it was 4 out of 10. What you get taste wise other than it made you sick, Johnny? Taste wise, I don't know.
Yes, I think.
The seasoning on it was not popping. It was garlic. I didn't really taste the garlic. I didn't really taste anything flourishing in my mouth. So taste wise, it was not bad. But the serving amount for what's the bill? Remember?
No,
4,000 something. The serving amount for that price, tick it off. Good, right?
Yeah.
Everybody I say yes, babe. Johnny's, they gave us one good size one. In our eyes, that was like a, not a large, but not,
big,
like a small, like a large, just a good one. We got a big full one cut in two, and then we got a half a one. So I mean the serving size there was excellent. I have to give it up for yeah. I have to give it to them for today. Why I said today too? Because they said they come on to not only Sharkies but some of these seafood restaurants down on the north coast down here. Light. You like that? Oh. For some of these seafood restaurants down here on the north, them raise them, well not raise them stuff, it's like certain things, well I raise like a lot. Like them they sell you a certain amount for the same price the other day. Like sometimes then we go and say like, you will get a 1 pound fish, you don't get the 1 pound fish. The next time you go, them tell about them.
Then give a menu and the price of the menu and the price of the match.
Yeah. So true. But she said that the price is plus tax one, she tell me.
No, the price did they say no actual price.
Yeah, because she said the price is before tax. She said the price is what do you read in my mouth? She said the price that she gave us is the one plus tax. The one that is in it is without tax. But when we check it up, the price is still makes more than 15%. But we're not complain about that part. We're talking about just how them do them things. Sometimes we sell their things, tell us that them have their things. Sometimes we tell us that them have the things where where you go there expecting to hear. So today it was about how was your fish, boo? Out of 10. Whenever taste your fish. 6 out of 10. Okay, so he ordered steamed fish. However, he was diving in my shrimp pasta. How was my shrimp pasta?
That could I get a 9 or 8?
For me, I give it 7. It did taste better last time when JD did take the chicken pasta to me.
And my wings, I enjoyed my wings.
The wings was good. We had the wings. I don't remember if I got that in the video, but the wings was an 8 out of 10. Not true. It never bad. The flavor was good. Why me I do this long talking too? Because they have music playing there, and because of the music, I cannot do a lot of recording. Because you don't know, a lot of copyright will be issued on the video once I put it in the video, right? With the whole of music and everything. So we're actually heading out of Senans Bay. Senans Bay Regional, right? Senans Bay, Senans. Yeah, Richmond is it. Okay, so Senans Bay, Senans, whatever. Well, it's a center, but is it Senans Bay?
There.
We don't know. We're not sure, but we don't find it right there. So this was Johnny's birthday treat. Enjoy your day.
Yes, otherwise.
She wanted to go to Plantation Smokehouse, which we're passing right now.
And I said this anyone going to go to 2 places.
She wanted to go to Sharkies because everybody been boosting her up. Oh, Sharkies.
Well,
She got Sharkies now. What on? What she say?
She not go back.
No.
She thought Sharkies was a more boost up, bougie place.
Official.
Sharkies is just a regular thing. Like, I think people over exaggerate about Sharkies, like how people over exaggerate about the Pudu man.
You put them on sugar.
Yeah.
Man down.
Yeah, we're not passing
No,
it.
we're not passing it.
Yeah, you never hear about the Pudu
What I mean, you must hear about
the Pudu man on the Senans Bay.
Yeah. That mommy never buy from him.
No, people is over.
Maybe time we buy it. Maybe time we buy it. Yeah, maybe time we buy it, it's just sugar, but maybe somebody else buy it and it tastes.
Well, guess what? You never know if we don't come back and make sure we catch it at that time to catch back with Bert with seal. We bought it once and we don't go back there, so the Pudu was 90% sugar, 10% potato and caramel.
Wow.
No, 90% sugar, 6% caramel, because you have potato Pudu and 4% potato, because we don't add the taste of potato. So we are going to pass it right out there. So Johnny, you don't know the Pudu man?
Yeah.
Mish.
Well.
Well,
So when he come back,
so we passing it right.
In lock up.
No, and it lock up. So yeah. Hi guys.
One time we talk about it full of sugar.
It is full of
I
sugar.
don't know if for next time it didn't taste good to other people, but the time when we buy it,
It's
sugary.
sugary.
Oh, we talking about 2 years ago still.
Well, we are talking about I did
About
2 years ago.
Yeah.
No, I never 2 years ago. Your mother did come. When we bought it When we went to Secret?
A long time ago, Secret, about 3 years.
No, we got Secret last year.
No.
Yes.
No.
We got Secret last year, January, when New Year's. We got Secret last year, January, when you want to go New Year's. I will never get to go New Year's, we go 2 days after New Year's. I will never get to fireworks. Last year, 2021. That's when we bought it when we were coming home from Secret Hotel. Yeah? I'm good memory now. I'm not shaky. Alright guys, the vlog done right now. Right, so catch you in the next vlog. Whenever that is. Stay blessed. Stay safe. I hope the little wally for rain when they mean that telling about no fall. The little wally, you know, you hear no little wally, because they say a wally for rain and a little bit we get. So I hope the little wally for rain, now watching it out. Alright? Subscribe, like, and share. Bye. What you say, Johnny?
Peace out.
Peace.